Alright, y'all. We're gonna talk the shape of the earth. I know, I ain't gonna say flat earth though. I'm not saying that. I know we all know this. Longitude, latitude, equator. And then the equator is obviously where all the tropical places are, because that's supposed to be where the earth is the widest at and closest to the sun, right? So I was thinking, a good way to disprove these freaking people who say that the earth is flat is to, if you see up here where the 60 degrees is, up here in the northern hemisphere, close to the North Pole, if we were to fly around the North Pole on that line, right, and then do the same at the bottom, where the 60 is right there at the bottom, you see how it's right below South America? If we were to do that, they should be the same, right? Because the Earth is a perfect sphere. We've always been told that. That's what our globes were in school. Perfect sphere. All right, look at this. This is the flat Earth model. Obviously, Antarctica is around the rim, and that's where they say is either the end of the Earth or there's more land beyond that. Well, anyways, you see right here is around where that 60-degree mark would be, that line I was talking about flying around. And then if you come down to South America, look at that line. So it would take way longer to go around that line than it would this line on the flat Earth model. Now, look at this shit.
And officially it's an oblate spheroid. That's what we call it. But not only that, it's slightly wider below the equator than above it.
A little chubbier.
A little chubbier.
Yeah.
Chubby's a good word. It's like pear-shaped.
It's like pear-shaped. So pretty much in that video, he said over time of the Earth spinning, it spins out kind of like a disc, but it's just wider at the equator. But then he says that it's actually wider at below the equator than it is above the equator. And you know, that really kind of just took away what I was trying to say. So we can't fly around the top near the North Pole and do the same at the bottom, because now it's wider at the bottom than it was at the top, so much so that it's pear-shaped. Isn't that a little suspicious? And that really got me looking into some other stuff, and I'm telling you guys, they are covering something up. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you.
Once I can find out some more stuff, I'll keep y'all updated too. Stay tuned.